Hello, we're going to use a unique Ramage software tool called WebQD to make a disk. We can use WebQD over a network, connect to another Ramage system, and we don't have to have any software loaded on the PC that we're using. WebQD works on any PC with a web browser, provided that browser is Flash enabled. So unfortunately at the moment that rules out my iPad, but I'm going to use my PC. So here we go, we're going to make a disk. You can see there are 4 icons up in the System Manager window, and when I click on the little disk towards the right with a star on it, I'll get another window that comes up, and this is the window I'll use now to make a disk. It defaults to CD, and that's fine for our demonstration. So the next button I click is to add a folder of content that I want to put on the disk. So I have a folder here called Working Folders. I'm going to click on that one, and then when that opens up, I'll just say, you know what, let's just take our brochures, open that, and we'll put that on the disk, and then we're all set to go. So now I'm going to get another dialog opportunity, and I'm going to select the artwork that I want to put on the disk. So I'm going to click Select, and now I'm going to get an opportunity to pick a PDF file or some other kind of artwork that I want printed on the disk. I'm going to pick this one where it says WebQD with text field, because that's going to give me another opportunity to show you a pretty cool feature of WebQD. I'm going to get a preview, and as you can see, I have some artwork, a little monitor, it says Ramage WebQD on there, but I also have designed this PDF to have a text field in the middle of it that I can use to type in anything that I want to. So I'm just going to say Tom's text. Oh, I missed the apostrophe, but that's okay. My English teacher isn't watching. So once I type that in and click the OK button, you'll be able to see my text down right below that monitor. So you see where it says Tom's text? This is just a way to demonstrate that you can make a master design. You can have various kinds of fields in there. You can have one, you can have more, you can have many, so that you can have some corporate control over how every disk looks, but still give the end user the capability to put a file name, a date, their name, whatever. So now I'm all ready to go. I got my folder of brochures. I have my master PDF file. It says Tom's text down there, and all I have to do now is come down here where it says Submit, and I click on that button, and the job gets sent over to the Ramage system. I can leave this tab open if I want to, or I can go back to System Manager, and now you can see that I have several files that are down in the lower area that are a couple that are completed, because even though it may not look like it, I did practice this earlier. And now you can see the job I just submitted has jumped into the queue and it started the recording process. Very easy to use. You don't have to load or push out any software on client PCs, and you get good results. You get variable printing, and you can put variable content on the disk through the opportunity to pick files or folders. It's quite simple and works all the time.